today. We're making all our dreams come true. Why don't you come along with me? Cause I love spending time with you, with you, with you. Spending time with you. Hey dreamers! It's me, Tahrifa The Dreamer, and today we have
Kailah.
And she is going to teach me 10 African dances.
Yeah, confuse me. Everybody they confuse me, oh baby. Everybody know I got you, but the way I want for you, you feel like magic. But the way you did me, I go get it. And I know go fit to come another day. But I go to call you my baby. And together we go there, we no go baby. But you say that you're my mind. Say you know be outside, no be night. Oh yeah, make you run away, make you fly away. Oh no. But you say that you're my mind. Say you know be outside, no be night. Oh yeah, make you fly away, make you run away.
So the first dance is called Kupe, right? Pronounce it as Kupe. First, you have to it's like you taking a step back and pumping like your chest, right? So it's like a
Do it again.
so you taking a step back and pumping your chest.
Oh my goodness. Let's do it together.
Okay, one, and you have to, and you do it again.
Like this?
Yeah, right. Now you have to add the hands too. So it's 2 fingers. See where boom, boom. So each leg, you pop, you put it up. Peace.
1,
For each.
2.
Yeah. Right. Up, down. The second one is going to be Zanku. Right? You call this the Zanku. So the Zanku is basically, it's like crossing your hands.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, you cross your hands and then you bend your knees and you go tap, 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 tap. So you tap it. So you tap it from legs. See, and you like add a sauce to it, and then it got like sideways.
Oh god.
I got you, but the way I want for you, you feel like magic. No, I put you in me, I go get it. And I know go fit to come another day. I'm going to buy my baby.
Okay, next one is Shaku. So you cross, pull back. So you switch it, but it's like a cross.
This hand goes on top.
Yeah. So you use watch your mouse, boom, boom. The fourth one is your special Gwara Gwara.
Okay.
So the Gwara Gwara, have one to be in front and one to be in back.
Which one is a straight one?
The one in the back is the one that moves. The one that don't really move is the one that in front. Right? So now you have that, and then you just you go in. It's like an in out type thing. So you bouncing like you go bounce, 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 right? So now you're gonna add your hand to it to make it more. So it's like a
This one, hold on.
push down, push.
It's how I thought it was done, right? In my head, it's like that's how I thought.
Like you could do it. You could do it like that too. Like some people do it like that too. Like you could do just like a in, and you do the same thing with your hands. Like a.
That's not looking right, I'm sure.
You could do that, and then you could do it like either you do it up, or you could just leave your foot on the ground like
Yeah, the lead seems more like
okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No be that we go chop, oh, you must do on my
Oh my goodness!
That's the wow, wow.
The next one is Pilolo. Pilolo.
Pilolo.
Pilolo is basically like a stroke.
Oh no, you start back.
do is turn your body, and then you go step, 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 turn, step, 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 step. So now after Pilolo is Shaku. Shaku is basically like you go down.
You always giving me hard stuff.
Back. So you bring your hand down with your leg in, back up, and then you go back.
Sure. Okay.
Right? So you think you got it? So you think you got it?
No, but we can do it.
So it's like a back. Next one is Telli. Right? You call it Telli. Telli is the next easy one. Telli is like a side from side. Side from side. Side from side. Right? Yeah. That's the Telli. So it's like a really easy one. This is like now the next one is Agbelemi. Right?
I'm trying to say that.
So you hit your leg out.
Ooh, baby.
So you hit your leg out and you transfer to the other. Right?
Something like that.
Yeah, so you go, but it's like a 1, 2, 1, 1.
1, 2.
1, 1.
1, 2, 1.
So like a 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1. The last one but not least is soap. Soap. Your hand close and then you open it. So it's like a type thing.
They
Boom.
have to be bouncing.
So it's like a just to go to me like a yeah, you can go around if you want to. It's like a last one is leg work, and Poco is like kind of fun hand in hand, but leg work is more like the one that you said you can't really do, so I'm not going to give you that. But Poco is like a type of leg work. It's like a so you just hit your leg up like that. However you want to put it in, but they want to put it down, but they want to put it up. She like that's all. Now we're gonna play one song and put it all together. Zanku. Shaku. Gwara Gwara. Pilolo.
Kailah trying to teach me how to dance. You can find her at
one and only Kailah
on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Comment below, like the video, share with your friends. Okay, bye.